Alright guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Now we already did an install video on the taillights, but we are going to be doing it again on this car, kind of like an updated video. We are going to be wearing some protection this time. This is a client's car, so we want to be safe and keep everything clean. We're going to be doing the install of the same taillights. Start off by popping off this cover. Then we're going to take our little tool and pop off all this for the trunk piece. And then after that, we're going to take there's going to be a few 10s up here, a couple 8s over here, and I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So make sure to stay tuned and make sure to subscribe as well. Let's get it. Because all the little cracking and stuff, like, it's a little sketchy, but it's, you know, all part of the process. Alright, so I already moved one taillight, guys. Super quick, super simple. Like I said, just a couple of 8s. One right here, one right there, then over there. You got some clips. Once you pop this out, it is going to be on some bongs right here. So carefully get those out and then take off the 2 wirings. And then we're going to get our right lens. Oh, this is going to look so sick on the black body. On this. I can't wait to show you guys that. Hold on. Alright, so this one right here, guys, once more, it's super simple to remove this. You're going to have 1, 2 and 3 little 10s right there. It has a little rubber grommet right there to keep the water out. Super nice. I do have a wobble neck somewhere around here as well, because one of the bolts, when you get up to this area, it's going to be a little hard to reach. But once you pop it out, do be careful of these wires laying around when you do put it through. This is something that we were messing up on this one, where we just couldn't find it, but we learned. So now we're going to put everything in the trunk and out through it. So let's get that done. When you're removing the taillight, I think it's best that you leave it plugged in, because when you do push it out, I like to push it out from the back of the housing. Makes it a little more safer, because you have this pin right here that kind of holds it down to the outside hole out here, and you want to leave it plugged in so that screw doesn't come back and dent your trunk, or even worse, scratch it. But now we're going to get the other side connected and then run all the wiring, and I'll show you guys that all in just a moment. Alright, so for our wiring diagram, what we're going to be doing is we have a fair bit of aluminum wire. Take this wiring harness and we're going to run it up here. Right now it's going to be just kind of up in the air, testing it, of course, making sure everything 100% works. But once we connect everything, we'll show you guys how it works and then button everything up and get a little display video afterwards. Connect this one to this one, and then you have your brake wires, which is going to be, this one's going to connect to this one, and let's see here, hold on, and then this one's going to connect to this one. And the one that I was scared about, I thought disappeared on us, is actually right here in my face. I'm gonna switch that around and just connect these 2 like so. There we go. And then after that, we're gonna run our blue and brown wire across the trunk, and then these guys are gonna connect to the small ones. That's why I said earlier, remember the brown wire I forgot about? So these are ground and positive wires that are gonna help connect the trunk to the main taillight. Oh, look at that. Got that beautiful little flash right there. And then we go up here. There you go. Hold on, wait. We're going to slightly close the trunk. Look at that. Woo! Man. Okay, we're going to get everything buttoned up. And then after that, you can take out the tape, okay? But right now, that's a little sneak peek. You guys can see on my car. It's a complete difference night and day on a black vehicle. It looks really nice. I like it. We got music on, matching taillights. Do you feel comfortable being on camera? Yeah. Alright, how do you feel about the taillights? Like, okay, compare the purple on mine to the purple on his. Which one looks better in your opinion? On the black car, right? Go ahead and take out the tape, man. You've earned it. Sheesh, look at that. Fresh, new taillights. Clean, bro. Hold on, get the side right here too. Oh, man. Look at that. I look like so good. It's like a brand new car, huh? Yeah. I know the tape's underneath, but just basically wiggle it out. Yeah, it'll come right out. So we left it on for protection, but hold on, let me close my trunk too. Look at that. Ooh. And I think there's only one other person that I know in the South Bay area with these kind of taillights. So besides me, there's only now 3 people. So he's got the different color ones. Yeah, the white's gonna look really nice, man. The white, you can do white. So it's a little app. Yeah, that's white right there. That's gonna look so nice. In the dark, it's gonna look even better. But that's it, guys. Super simple. 10s, 8s. He loves them. He's got the blinker on too. Both flashers on. Put the E-lights on, so you can see how they look. Cause I know that's one of your biggest things is these flashers. Is on. Yeah, and you could even put the lights yellow too if you wanted to. When you're stopping, you could put the yellow lights on so they could see your thing. Oh, and also through the app, let me show you real quick. This right here changes the brightness and the colors. Like you can like lower the brightness if you wanted to. You see it's dim. He's like, no. We want it bright all the time. So that's gonna be it, guys. Super simple. It's not too hard, really. Just got to be really careful. But I would say just keep it on hand. You're not gonna need it, but just keep it on hand. Like my remote, I don't have mine, but you could just leave it in the house if you want to. You could. I think it'll turn it off. It might or may not. That's why like the remote is kind of weird, you know?
Okay, this is the regular red one. It's legal.
Legal, yeah.
Apple is illegal.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Make sure to subscribe, all that fun stuff. And as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.